Remember when that deck was your pride and joy? And reviving it seems like at least a few days' work. What if you could transform your deck in one day with the new RockSolid One Coat family? All it takes is 3 simple steps with RockSolid 6X Deck Coat. Before getting started, make sure you have the proper supplies and have read the product instructions thoroughly. Don't forget to pick out your favorite color and have the product tinted at your local home improvement store. Check the forecast and complete your project when the temperature will be between 40 and 90 degrees. There is no rain expected for 24 hours and humidity is low. Start your day by sweeping away any dirt, dust, or debris off your deck. Scrape away any loose paint and make any light repairs. Clean using a deck brush and RockSolid Deck and Patio Cleaner. Rinse off with water. It's time to prime your deck with RockSolid Deck Start Wood Primer. Wait 30 minutes for the cleaner to dry and remove any standing water. This innovative primer can be applied on damp or dry wood. Using a 3/8" nap roller, saturate the roller cover and apply generously in a consistent pattern. Work to a wet edge at all times. Wait 2 hours for the primer to dry. Now it's time to coat your deck. Saturate the RockSolid 6X roller cover and apply RockSolid 6X Deck Coat. Apply it generously back and forth. Avoid rolling back into coated areas where drying has begun. For best results, coat 1 or 2 boards at a time. The surface should be ready for foot traffic and furniture replacement in 24 hours. One day and done. RockSolid 6X Deck Coat is the one system with a one-day solution for one beautiful deck. With RockSolid 6X Deck Coat, you can transform your deck in one day, allowing you to spend more days on your deck